Striking effect on TikTok is the one of the most popular effects right now on TikTok, and today we will talk about this effect and how to turn on off it on this app. Let's check our guides and get to know everything about this effect. So guys, right now we need to open our TikTok and let's click on this plus icon at the center of the screen to open our needful effect. This striking effect is definitely one of the most popular right now, and if you don't have it on the trending list, it is, but I will show you how to search for it. So you need to tap on the search icon at the left side of the screen and click on the search bar. Here you need to find the striking. Yes, and here we have the first effect, and that's it. Let's click on it one time. And after tapping on this red button, you can start the new video creation using this effect. It's very simple to do, and I hope that you will create a lot of trends with it. But guys, if you don't know if this effect is good for your video and you want to check the example of this effect, you can go to the friends page on your account and tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Later on this search bar you need to set the striking face text, and after you on the top list you will find this effect. You can start the new video creation by tapping on this red button opposite, and you can find definitely a lot of examples of this TikTok with this selected striking face effect. So if you want to start the video with this effect, let's click on the hashtag with the name of the effect at the video description. And after clicking on this red K at the bottom, you can start your TikTok. I definitely hope that this tutorial was interesting and useful and you will like it. If it was, don't forget to also subscribe to our channel to find even more cool tutorials about the TikTok app and other programs. Good luck guys, goodbye!